I'm going to show you the simple and easy way to create a YouTube channel right now. Let's get started. To create a brand new channel, head over to youtube.com and click on the icon in the top right hand side. Scroll down and go to switch account. Then we're going to scroll all the way down and go add new account. This is going to take you over to Google, and I want you to click in the bottom left where it says create account, and then click on to manage my business. Then you can enter your name and email together with a secure password. Once you're all done filling in your details, click on the blue next button. Google will then send you a verification code to your email. Head over to your email, grab this code and paste it into the box here, and then you can click on the blue verify button. Your phone number, make sure you select the country on the left hand side, enter your birth date and your gender, and click on the next button. Next up, Google will want to verify your phone number. It's always good to do this right away and save some time later on. So get the verification code from Google either by text message or voice call and click on the blue next button. We always skip this step, so click on the skip button. Check the privacy and terms and that you are completely happy with them and click on the blue I agree button. Now you're going to be redirected back to youtube.com, and you'll see the icon in the top right hand side has changed. I want you to scroll down the left hand side and click on the gear settings button. Then I want you to go under your YouTube channel and click on the blue create a channel. We're going to create a brand channel, so we're not going to use the name here. Go down and say use as a business or other name. Then you're going to enter your brand account name, what you want to call your YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is going to be called Runner's Getaway. Then you can click on the blue create button. Congratulations, you have now created a new YouTube channel. If you want to learn more about creating videos and building an audience online, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we create new videos every single day, helping you start and grow an audience on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and leave us a comment below on what you need help with starting your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.